Every move told a story, every expression carried emotion, and every beat reflected our vibrant culture. Let's give our performers another well-deserved round of applause.
Achievement is the result of perseverance, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of excellence.
We now commence the prize distribution ceremony to honor the outstanding achievers from both the Cambridge and CBSE wings. We invite Leha Lala Ma'am and Preeti Sharma Ma'am for the Academic Excellence Awards for the middle wing.
I would like to invite our respected chief guest for today, our director sir, and our respected HM Ms. Preeti Singh to kindly come on stage and felicitate the achievers for the academic session 2025-26. Let's have a huge round of applause for once again, please. We begin with grade 5. Arav Mehta, our first achiever, has set an outstanding benchmark with exceptional academic excellence. Arav Mehta, grade 5B, has scored first rank in grade 5 with an impressive 99.22%. He is also the subject topper in English, Hindi, and EVS. In addition, he has scored above 95% in all 4 major subjects: English, Hindi, Mathematics, and EVS. Congratulations, Arav. Athar Gupta, our next achiever, has secured the second rank in grade 5 with an outstanding 97.81%. He is also the subject topper in Mathematics, scoring a perfect 100%. Furthermore, he has achieved more than 95% in 3 subjects: Hindi, Mathematics, and EVS. Congratulations, Athar. Shivansh Rajput of grade 5B has secured the third rank in grade 5 with an excellent 97.03%. He has also earned recognition for scoring above 95% in 3 subjects: English, Hindi, and Mathematics. Congratulations, Shivansh. Shaurya Singh, our next achiever of grade 5B, has demonstrated remarkable consistency by scoring above 95% in 3 subjects: English, Hindi, and EVS. Congratulations, Shaurya. Ashwik Pandey, last but certainly not the least, Ashwik Pandey of grade 5E has secured above 95% in 3 subjects: Hindi, Mathematics, and EVS. Congratulations on this wonderful achievement.
Let us now continue with grade 6 top 3 rank holders. Our first achiever has showcased exceptional academic excellence with remarkable consistency. Anvika Singh of grade 6A has secured first rank in grade 6 with an outstanding 97.5%. She is also the subject topper in English, Mathematics, Science, and Social Science. She has also secured about 95% in Science, Mathematics, Social Science, and English. A huge round of applause for Anvika. Our next achiever is Ekisha Nigam of grade 6A, who has secured the second rank in grade 6 with an impressive 96.33%. She is also the subject topper in Mathematics with 100% and French. In addition, she has scored above 95% in Science, Mathematics, and French. Congratulations, Ekisha. Next, we have Adish Ranjan from grade 6E, who has secured the third rank in grade 6 with 95.05%. He has also scored 95% in Sanskrit, Hindi, Social Science. Congratulations. Dear parents, can we hear some noise for our young achievers? Next, let's move on to the scholars of grade 6. Athar Anand of grade 6C is the subject topper in Hindi and Sanskrit. He has also scored about 95% in Hindi, Social Science, and Sanskrit. Avantika Pathak of grade 6A has achieved a perfect score of 100% in mathematics, earning the title of subject topper in mathematics. And last but not the least again, for grade 6, we have Akash Gupta from grade 6B, who is the subject topper in German with 96.37%. He has also scored above 95% in mathematics, science and German. Congratulations, Akash.
Coming to grade 7 achievers, we have Akshat Srivastav. It is a privilege and honor. He is an exceptional scholar whose unwavering dedication and remarkable consistency has earned him the highest accolades. Akshat Srivastav of grade 7A has secured the first rank in grade 7 with an outstanding 99.33%. He is the subject topper in English, Social Science and French. In addition, he has achieved above 95% in 6 subjects: English, Mathematics, Hindi, Science, French and Social Science. Let's welcome Akshat with a big round of applause. Congratulations! Anvita Bhatt, our next achiever, has displayed exceptional academic excellence across multiple disciplines. She has secured the second rank in grade 7 with an impressive 99.15%. She is the subject topper in Hindi and has achieved a perfect score of 100% in Sanskrit, earning the title of subject topper. She has also scored above 95% in English, Hindi, Science, Sanskrit and Social Science. Congratulations, Anvita. Ashi Mishra. We are delighted to invite Ashi of grade 7D, who has secured the third rank in grade 7 with an excellent 98.88%. She has also demonstrated outstanding academic consistency by scoring above 95% in English, Hindi, Mathematics, Science, French and Social Science. Congratulations on this remarkable accomplishment. Aditya Srivastav, our next achiever, who has secured a perfect distinction as subject topper in mathematics, scoring an exceptional 99.94%. He has also scored above 95% in English, Hindi, Mathematics, Sanskrit, Science and Social Science. Congratulations, Aditya. Next, we have Abhav Garg, who is an outstanding performer and has earned the title of subject topper in science with 99.5% and is also the subject topper in German with 97.88%. His exceptional performance extends further with above 95% in English, Hindi, Mathematics, Science, German and Social Science. Congratulations, Abhav. Aniket Soam, our next achiever, has demonstrated remarkable consistency by securing above 95% in English, Mathematics, Hindi, Science, French and Social Science. Congratulations, Aniket.
We are pleased to honor Kavya Goyal of grade 7A, who has excelled by scoring above 95% in English, Hindi, Mathematics, French and Social Science. Her commitment to academic excellence is truly commendable. Congratulations, Kavya. Vinandra Nandya from grade 7A, whose outstanding performance has earned recognition for scoring above 95% in English, Hindi, Mathematics, Science, French and Social Science. Congratulations on this splendid achievement, Vinandra. Naksh Goyal, our next achiever, is also from grade 7A, who has displayed remarkable academic consistency by scoring above 95% in English, Hindi, Mathematics, Science, French and Social Science. Delia Verma, from grade 7C, whose excellent academic performance has earned her recognition for scoring above 95% in English, Hindi and Sanskrit. Congratulations, Delia. I'm sure we can make some more noise. A well-deserved applause. Last but not the least, from grade 7, Vibhu Nethani from grade 7C, who has demonstrated commendable dedication by scoring above 95% in English, Hindi, Mathematics and Social Science. Congratulations, Vibhu. Now I would like to invite Ms. Srishti to take over for the Cambridge Wing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the Cambridge Wing Academic Excellence Awards. Today, we have gathered to applaud the remarkable dedication, sharp intellect, and unwavering discipline of our young scholars. Let us begin by celebrating. Now, I would like to request our Cambridge coordinator, Ms. Asya Naqvi ma'am and Malika ma'am to join our chief guest and our trustee and director on the stage to honor the young scholars. Starting with our Cambridge Primary, these young minds have set a stellar benchmark in the March Checkpoint Series 2026. From CP6, taking the crown in first place with an outstanding performance across both English and mathematics. Put your hands together for Chirag Katiyar. In second place for securing an outstanding score in mathematics, a big round of applause for Abdul Hafiz. Congratulations to both of you. Rounding out our overall podium in third place and also for achieving outstanding marks in mathematics. Congratulations to Rishit Sharma. We also have an extraordinary talent in our individual subject categories for the 2026 Checkpoint exam. Achieving top-tier excellence in mathematics, let's cheer for Riyansh Lala. Joining him on the podium as a fellow subject topper in French from CP6. Give it up for Vivan Singh. Moving on to Cambridge Lower Secondary CLS 7, demonstrating exceptional consistency and brilliance in Hindi and French. Let's hear a huge cheer for Anika Rastogi. On the second position, we have another girl bubbling up with immense positivity and good scores in English, Science, Humanities, Computing. Kavya Acharya, our little chirrupi girl. Congratulations, Kavya and Anika. Next up, we celebrate CLS 8. In this batch, our rank holders didn't just top the class. They also earned the prestigious title of scholar by meeting every rigorous academic criteria. Taking first place in the class while fulfilling all the scholar criteria, give a massive hand to Kashmi Sharma. She got more than 90% in English, mathematics, science and computing. Securing second place and maintaining her scholar status, and by securing highest in English, Humanities and German, congratulations to Alia Khan. I request if the guardian of Alia Khan is present in the audience, they may come and receive the award, please. Completing our triumvirate of rank-holding scholars in the third place, a big round of applause for Nitanshi Kaur. And now for our high-performing subject toppers in CLS 8. Let's applaud our outstanding achievers, Ananya Jaswal, securing highest in Sanskrit, and Anshika Srivastava got highest in art and design. A big round of applause for both of them. Finally, we turn our spotlight towards the senior most batch of the 2024 and 25 session. These students have raised the bar high for those who follow, claiming first position overall, earning a scholar status, and delivering outstanding marks in science, mathematics, and English. Let's hear it for Anmol Tyagi. Taking second place for a phenomenal academic record, she got highest in Hindi and Sanskrit. Congratulations to Anshika Jain. warm round of applause for Shivansh Saxena. Unfortunately, he is not there with us today. And last, but certainly not least, let us honor our dedicated subject toppers for this batch too. So, next we have congratulations to Triraj Randhawa for securing highest in humanities, and congratulations to Amira Ahmed and Athar Rohit Mishra for securing highest in art and design too. Congratulations to three of you. Congratulations, Shivansh, Athar, Amira, the little artists on the stage. Please give them a big round of applause, everyone. Let's give a final, resounding round of applause to all our Cambridge Wing achievers today. Keep shining, keep aiming higher, and congratulations to all. Thank you so very much, our honorable chief guest, our trustee and director, and Asya ma'am for motivating these young scholars and achievers. Now, I would like to request our education director, Ms. Geeta Varshni ma'am, to take over and announce for CERN boys. Thank you, everyone.
नमस्कार सभी पेरेंट्स को, आदरणीय गेस्ट्स को और मेरे प्यारे टीचर्स और बच्चों। I'll take just 2 minutes to share with you, because we don't get a gathering like this very often in school. The second batch of SRGS of grade 12 produced 11 students in IIT JEE Mains in above 90 percentile. The third batch, which was this year, repeated with 11 students, but much higher percentiles than the earlier batch. And a promise that the coming batch will break this 11 number and go much higher. 3 students in IIT Advanced, IIT Madras, IIT Dhanbad and IIT Jammu this year. So juniors, your seniors are there. Nothing succeeds like such success, like our guest also said. But there are certain things which make a school proud. And I'm going to share that with you now. Our students are representing India at CERN. Aniket and Ayush, please come up on stage. I request their parents also to join in. These students won the Beamline competition, a competition which is much sought after world over, and countries keep trying for 10 years, 12 years, and then they get selected. And here are our boys. Can we have more lights on stage for them? They have enlightened the world. So they are going to CERN on full scholarship by CERN, and they are going to work in the world's best physical particles laboratory in CERN and do their experiment. As a gesture to recognize their effort, because they worked very hard, the competition and the 11th class annual exam was all together. The management gave them a cash prize of 10,000 each. Thank you, sir, for motivating the boys, and thank you, boys, for bringing India pride.
Success is not an accident, it is the outcome of dedication, perseverance, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Today we gather to celebrate our young achievers whose hard work has translated into extraordinary academic success. May we now request Anju ma'am and our senior wing headmistress, Ma'am Meenakshi Vashishta, to kindly join our dignitaries on stage to present the Academic Excellence Award. We begin by honoring the outstanding achievers of grade 8. Tanarika Sinha from grade 8 has secured the first position with her exceptional performance with 96.96%. Although she is not here, I request her parents to collect her award on her behalf. Please welcome Samanvay Khandelwal, recipient of the Class 8 Second Topper Award and has excelled across multiple disciplines. Up next is Avni Saxena, who has secured the third position. Next, we call upon the stage the Scholar Badge recipients. Let us understand the significance of the Scholar Badge. This prestigious honor is awarded to students who have secured an overall aggregate of 85%, along with 90% and above in any 3 or more subjects. These students have demonstrated consistent excellence and truly deserve an admiration. Vani Badoni, Samit Pathak, Vanshri Mani. Please, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our young achievers and we motivate them for the future endeavors.
We have Tanarika's father achieving her award on her behalf. She has gone for a cluster level competition. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for being there for your daughter. That's what we are. Parents, yes, parents, can we motivate our children? Yes, like our institution always does, right? Thank you. This rewards and recognitions are for your children. Now we move on to honor the outstanding achievers of grade 9. Arna Srivastav from grade 9 has secured the first position with a science, French and artificial intelligence topper and a proud Scholar Badge recipient. A huge round of applause for Arna Srivastav. Please welcome John Kaur, who has secured the second position in grade 9. She is also the French topper and a Scholar Badge recipient. We now call upon Lavanya Adi, who has secured the third position in grade 9. She is also the topper of Hindi and social science and a proud Scholar Badge recipient. We now invite the recipients of the grade 9 Scholar Badge who have demonstrated consistent academic excellence by securing an overall aggregate of 85% and above, along with 90% in 3 or more subjects. I call out in order, Shreya. Audience, can we have a thunderous round of applause for Shreya? Surun Chauhan from grade 9. Aditya Saxena. Aditya Saxena is absent. Avika Singh. Avika Singh. Can we have Avika Singh on stage? Mishika Chauhan. Anika Dubey. Anika Dubey. Ajiva Biduri. Daksh Gupta. Nakul Vashisht. Jivika Khanna. Shanvi Priyadarshini, Anya Rajbanshi. Vihan Jindal, Ashmit Ghosh, and Shakshi Pandey. It's now time to recognize the outstanding scholarly achievements of our grade 11 students. Tia Rathi bags the overall first position, scoring the highest in history, physical education. She also wins the scholar badge for the session 2025-26. Ojis Srivastav has secured the second position, scoring the highest in yoga. He also wins the scholar badge. Anushika Srivastava has secured the third position, scoring the highest in business studies, economics, and artificial intelligence. She also wins the scholar badge. Please put your hands together as we invite our top subject scholars to the stage to receive their well-deserved honors. Ayush Bhardwaj securing the highest in mathematics with 91.83%. Yogita Sunil Singh scoring the highest in English and vocal music. Tanishq Pavla scoring the highest in accountancy and entrepreneurship. Yashi Gautam scoring the highest in political science and geography. Angel Nagar, fine arts. Shrishti, Kathak. Abhinav Nigam, physics. Riyaj, chemistry. Aravind Sharma, Lakshita Dubey. Arvind Sharma. Lakshita Dubey. Yati Dwivedi, political science. Samriddhi Mistry, artificial intelligence. Praveen Kumar Mishra, computer science. Ridan Sahai, information technology. Ansh Kumar Bharat, physical education. Samriddhi, Hindi. Rishika Tiwari, Shivangi Rathod. Shivangi Rathod for German. Vaishnavi Dhol, French. Siddharthi Adhikari, Bharatnatyam. Aman Sharma, instrumental. Soni Chaudhary, sculpture. Once again, congratulations to all the achievers and a huge round of applause for their hard work.
May I now request Samit Pathak. Samit Pathak, are you there? Samit Pathak to kindly come on the stage. Please applaud. He is the French topper of grade 8. Samit Pathak. Now we begin with the grade 10 toppers. Board classes. Grade 10. Please welcome Abhinav Prakash, the captain of our school, who has secured the first position in grade 10 with an exceptional 99.4%. He has also the Hindi, science, social science,
intelligence and a proud scholar badge recipient. A huge round of applause for this extraordinary achievement. 99.4%. Securing the second position in grade 10 with an impressive 98.2. Please welcome Prithvi Kumar Tiwari. He is also an artificial intelligence topper and a proud scholar badge recipient. We now honor the third position holders who have each secured an outstanding 97.4%. First we welcome Arna Gupta, followed by Saranya Sahai. And next we have Shivanshu Verma, the third rank holder with 97.4% along with Arnav and Saranya. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a thunderous? You should roar like a lion. Your children are winning. Yes, take Anya Rana and Jimbi Singh. Swarnim Marwama and Yashvardhan Tyagi. Samriddhi Agrawal and Amika Agastya and Daksh Chauhan. Shreya Saini and Anushka Shukla. Shaurya Sharma and Harshit Kumar. Ritika Chaudhary and Anvi Sharma. Reet Arora and Arushi Chauhan. Reet Arora and Arushi Chauhan. Arnavan Vishwa and Vrishti Walia. Samaira Mehrotra. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for all the achievers of grade 10. Thank you. Moving on to our next category of awards. Please put your hands together as we invite our grade 12 toppers on stage. Niyati Tomar bags the overall first position as well as being the topper in commerce stream, securing the highest in psychology, political science and Kathak. Aniket Tyagi secures the second position, scoring the highest in mathematics, physics, chemistry and computer science. Ananya Singh has secured the third position, securing the highest in psychology. I request the guardians to come and receive the award on her behalf. Let us put our hands together for the brilliant minds who have dropped their subject in grade 12. Sarvesh Mani Tiwari being the topper in PCB stream. Bhuvanshi Singh scored the highest in physical education and sculpture.
studies. Priyambada Singh, highest in physical education. Reed Pandey scores the highest both in economics and business studies. Shalvi Pathak secures highest both in commercial arts and Bharatanatyam. Swapnil Singh Rawat, sculpture. Ananya Sharma, artificial intelligence. Dhruv Nagar, geography. Disha Kumar, artificial intelligence. Gauri Pandey, Bharatanatyam. Ishani Lab, geography. VR Raj, entrepreneurship. Satakshi Rao, sculpture. Shraddha Chatterjee, Kathak. Sonali Patil, painting. I request her parents to take her award on her behalf. Vishwam Pant, information technology. Gungun Yadav, Ishita Sen, and Rayanshi Bhandari are our another set of scholars. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I request you for a very huge round of applause. They are not just for us, they are for the whole society, the children, the future generation of our country.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Dean. Thank you so much, dear teachers. For more than 4 decades after its release, one song continues to ignite stages around the world. Such is the timeless magic of the one and only king of pop, Michael Jackson.
Because great music